to obtain a credit and then install the Tangix Tester Pro software, which is a free software to download. You add that credit to the software, and now you're ready to take the exam. There are a lot of opportunities to get these certification credits. Customers on active subscription could take up to 3 certs 2 times per year. There's a lot of promotions and stuff on our social channels a lot of times, events at 3D Experience World, and that sort of thing. And students a lot of times have access through their school. So if you want more information, go to solidworks.com/certification. You'll get more information there. But it's really very simple. You can just go to this website, download the client, and now you're ready to get started taking the exams. You'll need a virtual tester user ID. Again, those are all free, so not difficult at all. And then you just select the exam that you have the credit for, click on Start Exam, and you're ready to go. So let's talk about passing the exam. So you will want to have, in my opinion, the best way to pass these is to go and get the training courses from our resellers. I think that's the best way to do it. If you take an essentials course, you're going to be pretty much ready to go to take the associate exam. And you may even be ready to take the professional exam after that too, if you really paid attention and did well in our classes. So you can get more information about that at this URL. But there are other places you can go to get more information, like the built-in tutorials, My SolidWorks, Solid Professor, and there's a lot of practice packages that you can download from our website as well. So definitely check out all these resources. But yeah, this would be kind of the stuff you would want to study ahead of time, so you really have an understanding of what you need to do of the CSWA exam. So like we talked about last time, for every new part you create, make sure you set your units, material, and save it. Those are the 3 most important steps. Units are important because it's asking you for mass. So if you put in a mass in pounds when they're asking for a mass in grams, it's going to be wrong. Material is important because what you're developing and building in SolidWorks is the volume, but the material gives you the density of the object. So with those 2 things combined, you can get the correct mass. So if you don't have the volume right, you're going to get an incorrect answer. If you don't have the material set properly, you're also going to have an incorrect answer. Yep. And you want to be real careful because, in some of these exams, they will have an answer that is the correct volume with no material applied. So, and you will pick that choice because you'll see it and you'll say, oh, that's answer B. Like, I'll choose that one. So be very careful about that.
Yep.
And of course, save and save.